Like somebody was asking me that, you need to draw the face of this milkman. The person is not able to draw. First, we will give the shape of the skull by reducing the skull a little, bringing the skull here. Now, make the mustache. Like we have to give the mustache so that we get the character of the milkman. Like somebody was asking me that, you need to draw the face of this milkman. The person is not able to draw. Okay. While I'm explaining this face again, just see that quickly, and then we can move on to the shading part. What I did is I have made a oval shape here, and then you can take a line from the middle and then divide this line into half again, and take this half and divide this further half, and make a curved surface here, like make a freehand curved surface. Extend this curve, take half of this line again, see the distance, take half, and whatever is left that you increase here also. Then you kind of give the shape here by extending this line and join this with a curved surface. But this has to be smoothly done. Make sure that you touch this border and make the curve. After doing so, you should see what is the angle. Now, if I want to make him see towards this side, if he's looking at this side, his face will be a little tilted. So we have made a curve here. The second curve will be made where the circle is intersecting. And this is where we will going to make the nose. So first you make a curve here, circle here. Now the circle size should be the size over here. Okay. The size over here will be the circle size. So you make a circle here, then make another one here, and make a circle here, and show this at an angle. Like create an angle here. Just a slanted angle is needed, which is okay. Now we make the nostril from this side and pushing this curve at the end and taking this above. Make a curve from this side and create this curve and make a circle here again. Once we have done that, we will shade this a little. To make it dark over here and create a line and shade this part. Shade this side also. Just a little bit of shading, you don't need to do much. Create a difference from this side. Create a difference from this side. Now, as you reach to this point, make a curve here and make a curve here. Now, this can be in the middle of the distance. Now, make the mustache. Like we have to give the mustache so that we get the character of the milkman. So I'm extending the mustache here. You just mark the level of the mustache how you want to give it. I'm extending the mustache here. Make it short over this side and make it longer, like almost twice the distance here. Now, wherever you think the lips will end, suppose the lips is ending here, you make a line at an angle. Like look at the angle of the nose, make the line in the similar angle here also. And this is where the eyes will be made. Now, eyes will be the size of the circle, which is here. We'll make the eye over here, like that. We'll make another eye, sorry, just below this line it will form. We'll make one eye here. Another eye will be made in the similar level over this side. The other eye will come here. Make an inside circle and make it dark onto this side. Make an inside circle and make it dark onto this side. Make a curve here and here as well. And overlap. Overlap with a curved line. Push this down and push this down. Bring a curve here. Make a round shape and give the shape of the eye. Bring a curve here, make a round shape and give the shape of the eye. Extend this curve. And here is the eyebrow. This is the eyebrow which will form. Just a little bit. Now we can shade this mustache like that. You can shade this part of the mustache like this. Give a little bit of shading to the lips also, like this. Here again, give a little bit of shading. Make the eyebrow, make it bushy. We'll make a bushy eyebrow here. And that's how you know you can get the features. Now, after you got the feature here, you will see the level of the eye, see the level of the nose. And this is where we will make the ear. So you bring a curve here, make the ear like that. Make an inside structure of the ear. Extend this part. Extend the ear over here. And shade it. You're going to make a little ornaments also, but that will come later. First, we will give the shape of the skull by reducing the skull a little, bringing the skull here, getting the shape of the face. Now, this part will come inside. It will go here and it will take a turn. Bring this down and show the chin. The chin will come somewhere here. Give a little shape to the chin and make this curve. Give a little shape up to the chin and make this curve again and bring this inside. I'm going to do some corrections to the eye so that he, it looks like he is looking on to the right side. Now, after doing this, we have to understand where the neck will come from. The neck will come from here. And there is this collar will go from here. Give a little shading towards the side. That's where we can draw the turban. So turban will be drawn by making a curve above and pushing this down. Give the shape to the curved turban. We have to draw the turban very nicely. This is one prime feature that you have to have in your milkman's character. Now we can start working on the turban here by making these curves to make a S shape here. Make a S shape from this side. Make a S shape from here and here. And keep making this S shape. Give these strokes so that you get the shading of the turban. Do it from the bottom as well. And you can show the hairs here. Push this side here. Give a knot. Push this side here. Give shading to both the ends. Give shading here as well by making these strokes, making it dark and light inside, dark out inside and light outside here. Then you can make the collar and everything. So this is how you should be developing the character. This part will be inside, which is dark. This part
Excuse
will
me,
be
sir.
outside, which is light. Yeah.
Sir, on the right side of the character, how are we
Hmm.
going to make the curve of the neck? If
No,
if we
see
are not
the
making
curve of the
collar.
neck won't be visible because it's being hidden by the face and the jaw. So his shoulders are up. That is the reason we cannot show the curve here. But obviously the curve will come from this side and just a little bit will come.
No, sir, if we are making another character in the same posture and if there is no
Uh,
collar, then how are we going to make the neck curve?
I'll show you. I'll show you that. Don't worry. But
Okay, sir.
just see if you have understood this or not. I hope this is clear. Do you know?
Sir, may I
Okay.
do now?
No, you don't need to draw. Like somebody was asking me that they could not able to draw. That is the reason I have
Sir,
explained.
think-
What are you
sir,
saying, Beta?
may I show?
You can show. Kriti, good. Kriti, just take this above. Make the turban nicely and take this above. Rest is fine.
Actually, I made a different
Yeah,
character.
Nupur, I didn't get you, Kriti. What are you saying?
Sir, I'm saying that I made a different character.
Yeah, Acha, you made a different character.
So are the
Okay.
proportions correct?
The proportions are fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Nupur, I can see your work. It's looking fine now, beta. Good. So should we move on to our figure now, where we need to understand the shading?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us go to the figure again and see what more we can do. Okay, we'll make the things around him and we'll choose the scene behind also. Okay, we'll try to figure out the scene behind as well. First, I'm going to do the shading part. Let us see the shading part here. So you just enhance, you don't need to do much. You just enhance the fabric surfaces. A little bit of shading is okay. But when you go to the inside part and there is a curve here, show that with pressure and make it light over here so that the drape is visible. This drape is very important. This drape has to come. Okay, that will only come with the pressure actually. I'll show you again. Just see this. The pressure that you apply here should be more. And as you proceed, release the pressure.
Excuse me,
From
sir.
the other side also, you should apply pressure and release the pressure in the middle. Yes, beta.
So can you please bring the camera near the sheet?
Yeah. I hope it's clear now. Okay. So if you're making a fabric surface which is near to the collar, or there is something below, okay, to give the shadow effect, we have to make it dark over here and light outside. Similarly, this part is really light. It will be light. And here is the drape. By making it dark, you can show the drape here. Hence the pits only. Yeah, as I told you guys, we don't need to do much, but just enhance the pits where the folds are there, enhance them and make it smooth above. Here also. First, I have completed the shading part here, in which you can see how the shading has come for this figure. And then we can develop the background even. But I want you guys to do this first and then show me. Just developing a little over here as well. There is certain drapes that I'm enhancing. We have to enhance these drapes. Applying pressure here and releasing the pressure over this side. Enhance these drapes at the end. Should look like this is the body actually. And that is the reason we have to enhance them. Hues I'm making dark. I'm placing some lines on the box. Do a little bit of shading here also so that it looks like it is placed somewhere and we have got this part as dark. Then we can show our surfaces, we have to create cans here that we have to show. Okay. If you have completed this much, you can show it to me, guys. If you want, I can show the cans also right now. Should I draw the can? Yeah, Nupur, show me. Nupur, nice. Nicely done. I like the shading, very good. Enhance this part also, like a little bit of curves will be needed here. Enhance them. All these curves that we have given before. Enhance them so that it looks like a drape here. Okay, rest is everything is fine. Rest everything is good. Okay, Pritika, Kriti, good. Pritika and Kriti, both of you have done good job. We give the shading to the background also. Yeah, 3, I saw that. Yeah, nicely done. Yeah, 3, very good. Yeah, Kriti, I saw this. Good. Kriti, just make this part light. It's becoming very dark here. Erase this part and make it a little light. Should I show the cans now, guys? How to draw the can?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So there is a can which is placed here, and there can be a can which is placed onto the left side. Let us draw this one first. To draw this, we have to see this height. Okay, this height has to be maintained. Make a line towards this side and make a curved surface by making a oval shape. So make a oval shape here, make it small. Extend this end of the oval shape below and make the same oval shape below as well, like that. There is this oval and there is this oval, and it will become like a cylinder. After doing that, we will make a shape here, build a shape here as well. See this mid portion is the middle line. Take this a little down and make a line over here. After drawing that line, you should see this curved surface and make a curved surface here also. To avoid confusion, you can erase the line. Look at this curve. Similarly, this curve has to be made. Push this part down. Bring it here. Push this part down and bring it here. Leave a little distance down and make a curved surface here. And make the same curved surface below, like that. The way that we have made these two curved surfaces, you will again have to see this curve. Make sure that these two match with each other also. If it is ending onto the right side, it should end onto the other right side also. Here, look at the curve here and make the curve towards this end. Make the other curve towards this end. Join these edges. Join this edge. And here you should come a little outside and then join. Come a little outside and join. Now see how the shading has to be. First, we will erase the lines over here. Using my 4B pencil. Take this part. Make an inner curve and make it dark from this side and make it light inside. Make it dark from this side. Push this down and push this side down. Mark sections, like one section is here, another section is here, the third section is here. At the first section, you make line which is very dark and place it onto the left side by making a little light line. Come to this side and make it dark and light again. Very light here. Make it dark a little and light. So this is one shading practice that I did with you guys before. This will be used here. We can use this shading side. Similarly, make a line towards this end. Make it dark over here. Make it a little light. Make it dark over here. Light, dark, and light here. Very light here. Push this end. Wherever you have taken this dark, make it dark over here as well. Light, dark to light here, dark again, and light. So these lines will match. This line, that line, this will match. Again, make it dark here, light, dark to light, and light here. Now, after doing so, you should make lines with this pencil. Make a double line here. We have already have a double line here. Make a double line here as well. Enhance these edges by making line, making it dark at the end. Now we'll give a little shadow also by placing a curved surface. Extend this curved surface and make the shadow here. So it will look like if the light is falling from the right side. That's how this can will be developed. This is how it will look like. That's how it should look. Similarly, there is one more can which I'm going to make onto the left side. Make a line here. This time I'm going to make this cap also. See the length that you have drawn. This can be of this length. Then we can divide this line into half and repeat the same half below. So this can will be a slightly bigger than the can that we have made here. Make a curved surface. Make this curved surface here. Make these two lines. After you have drawn that, you will push this side onto the left. Look at the distance here. Make the same distance onto the right side. Push this line on extreme right. Then push this side down. Make it straight and make it straight here. First, we'll do this. Here, I'm going to reduce this a little over here. Make a round surface. See this curve. Accordingly, you make a curve here also. See this curve. Accordingly, you make a curve below as well. Push this side a little. Push this side a little. Make this line. Make a curved surface here. First, we'll do the upper portion. You can use your pencil also to shade this. I'm going to show you guys how we can do that. We can use our mechanical pencil to shade this. Shading methodology will be same, like we have to make lines, double lines here, double line here as well. Make this part dark and light here, and dark here and light. Dark there. Push this side down. Push this side down. Make a double line. Give shading. Again, extend the same line here. Make it dark, light, dark to light, dark again and light here. Push this side down. Dark, light, dark to light. Dark here and light there. Here again. Give a double line here. Dark to light. Dark again, light, dark, light. Now, I'm going to make a cap also to show the cap in a different direction as if it is opened. We will create an angle here. Take this angle here and push this angle onto the right side. Now see the length of this side. Okay, look at the length of this side. Take half of this length and mark the same half here and mark the same half there. Look at the length here. Take the same length here and make a cap above by pushing this line above, pushing this curved surface above, making a curved surface here, and making this curved surface here. So make sure this C shape, the C shape here and here are same. This will be understood by judging the distance here. Like look at the space here, look at the space here, they should be almost equal. Look at the space here, the space here, and the space over there should be almost equal. The cap will go like this at a different angle. Give some shading to the cap also. Make the angle of the cap like this, as if it is open. And make this curved surface. Look at the surface here and make the curved surface like that. Make sure that this cap of this container should be outside and the cap over here should be inside. There should be some gap. Make it dark to light, dark to light, dark to light. I will explain this. I will explain this again. Just see that. This is how I have done it. Like, look at the cap here. This is the surface cap of the container. If you look closely, it will look like this. This is how the bottom will look like. Make sure that, the maximum curve, which is here, is to be parallel with this curve. How this will be possible? By making a line from this side, by understanding a line from this side, by understanding the line from this side. Now see the gap over here. Look at the gap over here. If you got the same gap from here to here and here to here, same, it means that the curve over here and the curve over here are parallel with each other. And this is very important. If you're making glass or they ask you to make a bottle, the curve have to be parallel with each other. Like most of the time, what student does is, what you guys do is, जो mistake है, this is the common mistake, जो सबसे ज़्यादा mistake होती है, that people do this. They just do that. This is one very common mistake. It doesn't, the natural thing looks like this, not like that. Okay, don't do this. Do that, do that. I'm not saying that you draw this, but you understand. Just understand how we should be doing it. Make a curved surface here and make this curved surface inside. Look at this curve here. This has to be same here as well. And then you can do the shading. I'll do the shading later, but let me show you the cap. Now, if the cap is removed, if you remove the cap from here and cap is kept on the vessel, this is how it will look like. Look at the length here. Give an angle. Give this angle. Now the angle should be your own choice, but it has to be of the same length. Look at the length here and length there. I'm tilting this a little more. Look at the length here and length here. Should be same. Now dividing this angle into half from here. I'll see that, Atri. I'll see that. Just give me a minute. Yeah, it's looking fine. It's looking fine. Give more double lines here. Give two double lines here.
Sir, was it parallel?
It is parallel. It's looking fine. Now see this curve and take half of this curve and make a line here above. Okay. See the curve over here, the half curve. Take half again and make an angle above. Make a certain line which is equal to the length here. Take half of this line. Take half again. Take half of this line again and increase the same half above and same half down. So this length, if we divide this into half, half will go here and half will go above. Now you can produce a curve. Make a nice round curve here. Make a nice round curve here again. A round curve here and a round curve here again. Extend this curve a little more. As this is outside, it will be a little extended. Make this very round. Don't make it conical. Make it very round. Push this down. So some of the part is inside and some will go out. Look at the curve here. Make a curved surface here. Now give a double line here also. So if it is coming inside here, push this line here and push that line here. Look at this curve. Make this curve. Give some depth here. Make it dark to light here. Dark here again. And this will show the metal surface. It will give you the metal surface. Again, make it dark over here, light over there. Make it dark over here. This will show the metal surface of the cap. Make it very dark here. Now, if you want to enhance more, you can just erase the line. This is how exactly it will look like. तो आई वॉन्ट यू टू अचीव दिस रिजल्ट गाइस, ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो अभी आगे हमको काफी कर्व सरफेसेस बनाने हैं, तो उसमें ये रिजल्ट आना चाहिए in which you get the metal texture right. And if you can do that, thing, you will get more marks. People will draw human figures and everything. But if you can do the texture also nicely, you will get the result that you need. Yeah, Nupur, nice. I just think, Nupur, according to the cap size, these are getting too large. You know, according to the cap size, you should see the length here and keep the same length here. Okay. Otherwise, the containers are fine. There's no mistake in container. I like the shading also, but they are getting too fat, beta. थोड़ा सा उसको lean करो, make it lean according to the size of the yeah. Okay, rest both are looking very nice. Kriti, yeah, you also very nicely done. Good. I like the shading and really like the shading. Okay, anybody else want to show? Good, good, Atri. Try this also, beta. Try this also. Yeah, nice, Atri. Very nice. इसको और smooth करो, इसको और round करो. Make it more round here. Make it more round here. Okay, anybody else want to show? Lovely, Nabya. I like the shading. Very nicely done. बहुत अच्छा है. Very good. थोड़ा सा इधर डार्क कर लो बस. इधर वाला जो पार्ट है, make it a little dark here. According to light source, ये थोड़ा dark है. Yes, Nupur, improved beta, very nice. I like the ढक्कन. I really like the cap here. Very nice. Metal भी लग रहा है वो. Very good. ठीक है. So we'll see the other scene later on. We'll see how to draw a female figure in later classes. But we have learned how to draw these boxes. Okay. We'll make another figure in the next class then.